Okay, traders, yeah, how are you doing? I hope everybody's good and everybody's doing well. So welcome to the weekend analysis, and actually this is continuation of what I already did last weekend. And actually market has been aligned through the projections now throughout the week. Therefore what I'm going to do today is just to show what are the changes and maybe what are the things that are still under last week projection. So I'm in a weekly time frame. Let me move my drawings and wave counts to show what is exactly happening there. So now we had the we had the last week. Last week had that very powerful bullish candle, and actually, as I said, now this week you have to expect a continuation to the upside because we see now market closed with the power without a rejection. So basically what has happened here is just we had a retest. Now this week opened with some movements to the upside, then again down, and then up again. So now it has closed with the rejection from the downside. So those rejection from the downside in relation to the previous strongly bullish candle, this indicates that this week we have to expect a continuation of push to the upside. So buying momentum is still strong at this area. That is one of the major outlook in gold for the coming week. Even though other movements are possible, when I move to lower time frames, I will show what are other possible movements of price around this area now in the coming week. So moving to daily time frame, I'll go a little bit quick. Now in daily time frame, what we see there in daily time frame, now prices are still trending up. Prices is still trending up, and actually we had a very strong candle on Thursday, so very bullish candle now. So when price was moving down here this week, now the major outlook was probably it may still keep on moving to the downside. So this was against what I projected, but my projection was price must rise. So the Thursday candle aligned with what I projected. So now from there it has strongly pushed up, and this one was like now it was like an indecision thing. So basically this still indicates the power to the upside. So when I turn on my wave counts, it is raining outside, guys, so it may you may hear some background noise. You may hear some background noise because it is raining outside. So basically what I see here is just, you see, my projection was price must rise to complete the third wave up. So this strong movement the upside is in completion of the third wave. So after that completion, this week we'll have to expect a push shortly to the upside, and then strongly down in formation of the fourth. Then after formation of the fourth, it will be also a retest through this trend line. Now you see the white one, trend line. So price is expected to retest this trend line in the fourth wave. But also you have to note that when the price is moving toward this trend line, sometimes it may break. It may not retest this. It may break, then retesting to the downside, then go. So when it do this, it means the upward movement has already completed. So we are no longer going to look for buys now if price is going to move below this trend line that has been supporting price for a long time. So now those are the outlooks that we have to consider, guys. And then what I can say now, what I'm doing here is just a technical analysis. Then we have the fundamentals and other things, sentimental and the like, that can have influence on gold. So I had one lesson called the Ultimate Guide on Gold. Now from that guide, the Ultimate Guide on Gold, so you'll find that there are certain explanations there about when is the gold price the strongest. When is the gold price the strongest? So now basically the general overview is September is the gold's strongest month, and we have reasons behind why September is the strongest. And also the next strongest is January. Now January is strong, and this is because there is a strong buying among the Eastern nation ahead of the Lunar New Year. So those are the reasons why this January gold is buying. So we have to expect it may keep on buying, you see. So it will go down, then it may keep on buying till the end of January, and maybe it may be 2 weeks of February also it will still be buying, and then from March and the rest of maybe the next now 2 to 3 months we may be moving down. So we have to watch for this branch region to be completed in the remaining weeks of January and the early February weeks. So now that is the general outlook. So we have to watch for completion to around 1961, then back down again to around 19. Now we can have that 1900, then we'll be pushing up strongly up to around 2000 and something there. So it may rise up to 2000. You see, we have 2000 up there. So let us look for gold to hit 2000, and this around the top of February or the mid February we can be hitting the 2000 price. So guys, thank you. This is my outlook. So you have to add your own analysis in order to see if they align, and then you can enter into trades, because what I'm doing here is not a trading advice. These are just my outlooks, my projections. So make sure that you do your own analysis. And also, if it's your first time visiting this channel, make sure that you subscribe, and also make sure that you like, and then you put comment if you have anything, and also make sure that you visit or you click those links for social media, and also you join it to a recommended broker, so everything is presented in this channel either in a video description, or you can see them in a homepage if you are using a computer. And for those who are using phones, you can just see them in a video description. So thank you for your time, and have a great weekend.